Email marketing has come a long way since its humble beginnings in the 1970s. Today, it's one of the most effective marketing tools available, with the potential to reach a huge audience of potential customers. And it's only going to get more powerful in the years to come. Here's a look at what email marketing will be like in 2023. First, let's take a look at the overall growth of email usage. By 2023, there will be 4.48 billion email users worldwide, an increase of almost 500 million from 2018. This growth is being driven by the increasing use of smartphones and the widespread adoption of email in developing countries. As more people use email, businesses are increasingly turning to it as a way to reach their customers. In 2018, global email marketing revenue was $27.5 billion. By 2023, it's expected to reach $32.6 billion. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing use of email automation and the growing popularity of email marketing among small businesses. Email automation is a process in which emails are sent automatically based on predetermined conditions. For example, you can set up an email campaign to send a welcome email to every new subscriber, or a promotional email to customers who haven't purchased anything in a while. Email automation can save you a lot of time and effort, and it's one of the reasons why email marketing is growing in popularity. In 2018, 47% of marketers used email automation, and this number is expected to grow to 54% by 2023. Another reason for the growth of email marketing is the increasing popularity of email among small businesses. In 2018, 59% of small businesses used email marketing, and this number is expected to grow to 65% by 2023. Small businesses are turning to email marketing because it's an effective and affordable way to reach their target audiences. Email is also a great way to build relationships with customers and stay top of mind. As email usage and marketing continues to grow, we can expect to see some changes in the way email is used. Here are a few trends to watch out for in 2023. 1. Increased use of AI and machine learning. As artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning become more sophisticated, they'll increasingly be used to improve email marketing. AI can be used to segment audiences, personalize messages, and automate email campaigns. 2. More interactive and immersive content. Email marketing will become more interactive and immersive, with more use of video, audio, and interactive content. This will make email more engaging and effective at driving conversions. 3. Greater focus on the customer experience. Email marketers will increasingly focus on the customer experience, with more personalized and targeted content. This trend is being driven by the growing importance of customer experience in the overall marketing mix. 4. More use of data and analytics. Data and analytics will play an increasingly important role in email marketing, as businesses use data to segment audiences, personalize messages, and track results. 5. Greater use of email automation. Email automation will become even more popular in 2023, as businesses increasingly use it to save time and effort. Email automation will also become more sophisticated, with more use of AI and machine learning. Email marketing is one of the most effective marketing tools available, with the potential to reach a huge audience of potential customers. And it's only going to get more powerful in the years to come.